So we're here in Grafton today doing the second and third day of invasive work on this property this year. We were here about a month ago, and Anthony and I cut down a bunch of knotweed. So this knotweed that you can see behind me was probably 7 or 8 feet tall. And then we planned for a follow-up foliar application of chemical herbicide sometime in August or September, as that is the most ideal time for the knotweed to uptake the herbicide. If you apply herbicide too early or too late for knotweed, it's going to be significantly less effective. The reason that we cut down the knotweed, if the knotweed is 8 to 10 feet tall, that's going to require spraying above our heads, which has a host of challenges and potential dangers associated with it. So we really, when we're doing foliar applications, we try to keep everything chest and below, or even better, waist and below. So that's a high-level overview of our process for Japanese knotweed.